Welcome children. First of all, I like to welcome on behalf of AGNI tutorial. Okay. So in this video today we are going to discuss about how to find the logarithmic and antilogarithmic by using logarithmic table. Okay. So before going to this chapter, first we will discuss the basic things. Okay. So first thing we have to follow the simple pattern is nothing but always you have to go for 4-digit logarithmic. So in this 4-digit we are going to follow in the manner of 2 plus 1 plus 1 pattern. Always remember we have to follow 2 plus 1 plus 1. So in this why we are following means, so 2 means first 2-digit we have to focus the column in the logarithmic table. So this is your second pattern or 2 patterns. So next one pattern we have to follow the logarithmic values from 0 to 9. Then this pattern we have to follow the mean difference. This area you have to focus. Clear? So always we have to follow 2 plus 1 plus 1 pattern. Clear? So next step number 2. We have to know the basic terms. What are the simple mathematics we are following? So first thing we are going for multiplication of any two number. So in this case we are going to take x into y. For this we have to follow the logarithmic function. If it is x into y, then when you are going for log x into y, we have to take logarithmic of x plus logarithmic of y. Okay, we have to find the log x value and we have to find the log y value, then we have to add. So this is the rule number 1. Okay. So next we are going for division. So it's nothing but in case a number is x divided by y, if it like this, we have to follow the rule is nothing but subtraction. So logarithmic of x divided by y is that means we have to go for log x minus log y. Okay. This is the second rule. And the third one we are going for power values is nothing but, for example, x power n. So when you are going for logarithmic x power n, we have to represent like n into log of x. For example, 10 power 2 is there. When you are going for logarithmic 10 power 2, so we can write 2 into log of 10. So log of 10 value is 1. So 2 into 1, my final answer is 2.000. So this is the way we are going. Then another rule for the square root, simple. For example, if it takes root of 3, so when you are going for the logarithmic of root 3, just we have to represent the root in terms of fractions, something but 3 power 1 by 2. So how we can represent? So 1 by 2 into log of 3. So we have to go for the log 3 value, then you have to divide by 2. So this is the general formula when we are going for the logarithmic. Clear? So I hope this may be understand very clearly. So now only we are going to enter the main content. So with lot of examples we are going to analyze here. Okay. So first example. So in this content, first you have to know that basic terms is nothing but, first one is nothing but characteristics, another one is nothing but decimal, another one is nothing but Mantissa. So very simple, when you are coming to the logarithmic, first, okay, this is my decimal point. If you take any number, left side of the decimal number is nothing but my characteristics, and right side of that decimal point is nothing but Mantissa. See, this is the basic thing for representing the log numbers. Okay. So when you are representing the characteristic number, okay, always we have to follow before decimal how many non-zero digits are there. Okay. Then later you have to take it as a n. Okay. So when you are making the characteristics, we have to subtract with -1. Okay, for example, 202 is number is there, here decimal 4 like this is there. So in this case I marked decimal here, so I have to go for the left side. So how many digits are there? Non-zero digits. That's mean in between 0 we can write, so look like a significant figures. Okay, so here 1 2 3. Okay, so there are 3 digits are there. Okay, only 0 is there, means no need to worry, so we can't consider. But 0 is in between the non-zero digits, we have to calculate. That's mean we have to consider. So here 3 digits is there, so finally the characteristics is nothing but 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So finally we have to write 2 points like that. Clear? Then we are coming to the Mantissa. Mantissa is nothing but we are going to use this table, is nothing but logarithmic table. Clear? So these are the basic things. So now we are going to discuss the basic example. The first one I am going to take the number 2023. Okay, so in this case just we are going to find the log and antilog. So first I am going for logarithmic. So first thing we have to find the two characteristics. So here total number digits are 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so always you have to represent the characteristics is nothing but n minus 1, correct? So 4 minus 1 means what? How much? 3. So I have to make 3, then decimal point, then you have to focus this number is nothing but Mantissa. So first thing we have to follow the pattern is nothing but 2 plus 1 plus 1. So if you split this, so this is my 2 pattern, then next digit is nothing but 1 pattern, then last digit is nothing but 1 pattern. Clear? So now I am going to take the 2 pattern is nothing but my values is 20. So I have to mark the number in the logarithmic table. It always starts from 1 0. Then you have to focus the 20. So this is my 20th value. Okay. So next I have the number is nothing but 2. Okay. The first digit is nothing but 2. So in this you have to focus that only the logarithmic values from 0 to 9. In this column you have to focus. So based on that I have the number 2 here, then I have to focus this value. What is my value here? 3054. Okay. So next we have to follow the another pattern is nothing but 1. This is nothing but indicates me is mean difference. This is nothing but mean difference. Clear? So what is my mean difference value here? Number 3 is here. Clear? So where is 3? This is my 3. So here number 6 is there. So now the clear we are coming. So we have to make the mean difference value. Then we have to add this value. So 6 plus 4, 10, balance 1, 6, 0, 3, 3.3060. So this is my log of 2023 value. Clear? So I hope it's maybe clear. So just we are going for another concept is nothing but antilogarithmic. Okay, so antilogarithmic of 3.3060. If we are finding the antilog for this value, definitely you need to get 2023. So we will check with. Okay, so now I am moving to the antilogarithmic. Okay, so what is the value we got? 3.3060 we got, correct? So 3.3060 we have it. So now I am moving with antilog, correct? Yes. So in this antilog we have to focus two methods. One is the positive symbol and the negative symbol. Here we are getting the positive, negative I will discuss later. Okay. So first thing we have to focus 3 into 3063. So while finding the antilog we have to focus only the Mantissa. No need to worry about the characteristics. Okay. So whatever the characteristics is there, so directly you can put 10 power characteristics value. Okay. Clear? In case -1 is there, -1, -2 is there, -2, 0 is there, 0, 1 is there, 1. Directly you can map. So next I am moving with the numbers. Here also we are going to follow the digits 2 plus 1 plus 1 pattern. So you have to focus this number. After decimal only we have to focus. So in this case 2 digit is nothing but 3, 1 digit nothing but 6, another 1 digit nothing but 0. The same way we have to follow as per logarithmic. Okay, so number 30 we have to focus in the antilogarithmic. So here the number will start 0.00 only. Okay, so first 0.30 is there. So where is the 30 here? So we have to trace out these numbers. So what is the next number? 6. So where is the 6? So next 6 is there. So based on this, if we are focusing here, what is the number we had? 2023. Okay. So next mean difference value 0. So mean difference value always starts from 1. So no need to worry about the 0. So directly you can write 2023. Once we are finding the antilog, okay. So directly we have to mark the decimal point 2 point. First digit we have to mark with a decimal point. So this is based on the characteristics, order of the characteristics. So my final answer is nothing but 2.023 into 10 power 3. If you multiply this directly, you will get 2023. Is it clear? So I hope it's maybe clear. So we look out another examples. So I am moving with another examples. The same number I am going to take. So now I am moving with 202.3. Then another one 2.23. Another 2.023. Then 0.2023. Okay. So first we have to find that log values. So first we will go. So first my point is log of 202.3. So how many significant figures or characteristics is that? 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 point. So again we have to follow that 2 plus 1 pattern. Don't worry about where the decimal point is there. Always you have to take first 2 is a 2 pattern, another digit is nothing but 1 pattern, then last one mean difference. The same number only will come 22.3. So 2230 and 6 is there. If you add means what you will get? 3060. Okay. So my log value is nothing but 2.3060. Okay. So when you are going for the antilog, whether we are getting or not, just we will check. So what is the number is here? 2. So how will you represent? 10 power 2. So now focus 30 and 6. What is the number it was? 2.023. It is 2023 was there. So when we are marking, we have to mark a one decimal into 10 power 2. Is nothing but 202.3. We are getting the same number. Clear? Clear? So I hope it's maybe clear. So when you are coming to the same for single digit, okay, 0 digit also, but there is a special case when it's coming to 0.203. okay, 0 point means how will you represent? 0 minus 1, the decimal point, then we are going to find the Mantissa is nothing but 3060. But here how will you represent? Minus 1, 3060. Correct? So we can represent like 1 bar 3060, but this is not a actual logarithmic. When you are going for find the logarithmic, okay, so how we can represent means, okay, the simple way I will explain here. So just we are making this number 0.2023, just we are making to the first digit. So what I am going to take, this digit I am going to convert here. So 2.023 will come into 10 power minus 1. So I hope you may be clear this. Clear? Whenever the 0 is coming, we have to follow like this only. Then only we will get the answer. Clear? So now tell me, what is the characteristic here? only one digit is there. So 1 minus 1, 0. So 0. Then again we have to follow 2023 in the terms of 2 plus 1 plus 1 pattern. So what you will get? 3060. Okay. So how we can represent this? So when you are going for this, log of 2.023 into 10 power minus 1. So how we can represent this? I forgot to tell you that. Okay. So log of multiplication means addition, correct? 023 plus log of 10 power minus 1. So when you are coming to here, log of 2.023 is nothing but 3060. Okay, where is this? So 0.3060. So here 10 power minus 1 is there, means it's nothing but x power n as per our rule minus 1. So what we will do? 0.3060 minus 1. Okay. So if it like this, what is your answer? So directly we have to make 1.00, 0.3060. If you subtract this, what you will get? 0 minus 0, you will get 0. Then we can't go for 0 minus 6, we have to get the borrow from here. So 9 will come here, 9 here will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4, 9, 6, 0. But my final answer is nothing but minus 0.6940. This is my answer. Clear? So now we'll cross check with calculator what is the values coming now. Okay. So just I'm going to type the calculator. So calculator is coming. So now I am going for the scientific calculator. So what is our value? 0.2023. What is the log value? So observe here what is the values coming. So if you observe this, the same values coming for us also. Okay. So look out here, minus, okay, 0.69400 is coming. Clear? So now you're getting clear, I think. So whenever the 0 is coming, we have to follow the rule is nothing but just we have to reframe the number. Okay, 0.2023 it was there, means we have to follow 2.023 into 10 power minus 1. Okay, this is the step we have to follow. Then we have to take the two different log values is like this. So first we have to focus this log value. So next we have to focus the log value. We have to add. Then later we have to subtract that power value. Then what is the actual value we are coming? The same value you have to take. So here the maximum number is 1, minimum number is 0. That is, here the value is minus 1. So finally we have to make it that minus 0. Clear? So like this we have to follow that all the order like this only. I hope it's maybe clear. So in case 0.00 it was there, how will we do? Once again I will repeat here. Okay, my number was 0.002023. If it is like this, how can we go? So the first thing, we have to convert this decimal point as soon as possible. So first I am going to take 2023. So how many digits I crossed? 3. So 10 power minus 3. The same thing we have to follow here. So when you are going for log of 0.002023, we have to check with 2 into 023 into 10 power minus 3 log. Okay. So how we will do? Just addition. Clear? So first thing we have to go for log of 2.2023 plus log of 10 power minus 3. So how we can do that? So first here the characteristics is my only one digit is there. So 0.2023. So my 2023 number is nothing but 3060. Then here, so 10 power minus 3 means 3 into log of 10. So this term is 1. So finally we have 0.3060 minus 3. So how we can do? So it's very simple. 3 into 000 then 0.3060. Again we have to subtract this number. Okay, so 0 minus 0 0, we can't do that, so here we have to take the borrow here. So here it will come 10 minus 6 4 9 6. So here we given the borrow, so 3 will become 2, so we have to make 2.6940. so again we will get the same number here, correct? Okay, so now what we have to do here, the number is minus value is coming. Okay, if the number is minus, okay, so this is a very important one. When the number is minus 2.6940, in the minus is came means we have to get the antilog very carefully. So there are a lot of methods we have. So when you are going for the antilog, when the number is minus, first thing we have to separate the numbers. Okay, so how will you separate? So minus 2 I am going to take, here 0.6940 I am going to take. So next thing what we have to do, we have to do that plus 1 minus 1 addition and subtraction. So in this case, when you are focusing the minus 2, we have to go for the characteristics the minus 1. When you are going for here 6940, here also we have to take it as minus. So we have to add plus 1.000 like this. So later what is the value will come, just check it. Okay, so minus 2 minus 1, what you will get? Minus. So here what are the terms will come? So 1.000, 0.6940 we have to do, just subtraction. Okay, 0, so we have to get the borrow here. So 10 6 3, here 9 3 will come, so 0. So my answer is 0.3360. I have to find the antilog for this. Okay, so just focus my antilog. So what is my answer here? Minus 3.3360 is my number. So I have to always focus 0.336. Okay, 33.6 we have to focus. So 0.3 is here. Okay, then I have to focus the number 6. So 6 means here the term is here. Okay, so this is my 6, so I have to focus here 2163. Okay, 2163, my this also is 0 only. Okay, so then the power is 3 minus 3, so you have to take 10 power minus 3, always you have to focus here. So when you are coming to here, what will happen? So 0.2163 means what is my value? Minus 2. So when you are coming to here, 0.2163 means 10 power minus 1. Then final answer is 0.2, okay, 163. This is my answer. So same answer we are got. Clear? Here almost is here. Look out here. Clear? So when the negative sign is coming, that time only we have to do very carefully. When you are coming the positive sign, so no need to worry. Clear? I hope it's maybe clear. So these are the basic things for finding the log and antilog. Okay. So when you are finding the antilog, we have to take decimal point. Clear? So we will look at some examples over here. So just I am going to give the some numbers, based on that we are going to work out here. Okay, so my first number is nothing but just we will check out that addition here. Okay, so first of all I will go to the number like simple multiplication I am going. Okay, so 45, sorry it's not displaying, so I will go to change the color. So my first example, okay, I'm going to take 45.4 into 13.8 divided by, so first we will go multiplication, okay, then later we'll go for the division. Okay, so first thing we have to go for the multiplication number. So with the help of logarithmic only we are going. So first case we are going to take log of 45.4 into 13.8. So what is the formula we have to follow? Is nothing but log of 45.4 plus log of 13.8. Clear? So I hope it's clear. So next step we have to find the characteristics. So here how many digits are there? 2 digits. So 2 minus 1, 1. So 1 point, what is the value we have to find? 45.4 is there. Based on this we have to find the log value. Clear? So first 45 is there. So this is my 45. Okay. So where is my 45? Here 45 is there. Okay. The next 4 is there. So next digit is 4. So what is my value? So this is my value, means 6571. So next there is no mean value, so just directly we can keep like this. Then next we are coming here. So here also what is there? 2 is there. So if you can find the characteristics, 1. So next 13 is there. 2 plus 1 pattern only we have to take. We need to change the pattern. Clear? So 13 where it was? So 13 is here. So this is my number. Then when you are going for the 8, so 1399 is there. So 1399 is my number. Okay, there is here also there is no mean difference. So finally what is my number? 1.6571, 1.1399. If you add this, what you will get? So 1 plus 9 0, then balance 1, 8 plus 9 17, balance 1, 8 9 7, 2.7970. Okay, so this is the logarithmic value of that one. Clear? So 2.7970 is my number. Clear? So when you are coming to this, okay, finding the antilog, what we will get? So always 10 power 2 we have to make. So we have to take 0.7970. So 79.7, what is my answer when you are going for antilog? 79 is here. Okay, then 7 we have to take. Okay, 79 is my number is here, then 7 is here, 6266 is there. Okay, 6266 we have to mark. Okay, 6266 change 6266. Always you have to make one decimal over here. My answer is 6.266 into 10 power 2 is nothing but 626.6 is my answer. That's mean if you are going with this multiplication, my answer is nearly 6.26.6 is my answer. We will check it with the calculator. So I am going to clear. So just I am going to take 45.4 into 13.8. Check out the value. See, 626.52. So we are get 626.6. Okay, so this is almost correct. So without calculator, how we can use this logarithmic is like this only. Clear? So I hope it's maybe clear. So next example, the same number we are going to take that in terms of division. Okay. Okay, now I am moving to the division term. Okay, so same example I am going to take. For example, 45.4 into 13.8. So we will take like 59.2. Okay, if it is like this, how we can go? So if it is multiplication, means we have to add. When you are coming to the division, we have to subtract. So this is the concept we have to follow. So first solution, we have to go for log of 45.4 plus log of 13.8 minus, okay, then log of 59.2. So this is the way we have to go. Okay, Clear? So already we done this addition, so I deleted. So first we will go, so log of 45.4, here 2 digit is there, so we have to make it 1. So 45 another 4, 45 another 4 we marked already here 6571. Similarly 13.8, here all the 2 digit is there, so we are going for 1, so character is 2 minus 1, so 13.8, so here also we marked 13.8, so number is 1399. Just add here, so it will get 0, 10, 17, so 9, 7, 2.7. So next we are going for this subtraction here. Okay, so here subtraction is there, so 59.2, so 2 digit is there, we have to go for 1. So next 59.2 we have to follow, so 59.2, 59 is here, number 2 is here, 7723, so we have to write here 7723. So subtraction we have to follow here. Okay, so direct subtraction, so not possible here, we have to take the barrow. So 10 minus 3 7 6 2, something but 4 9 7 2 7 7 0, then 1. So 1027 is our answer. Okay, so when you are finding the real number, we have to go for the antilog. So when they are coming to the antilog, just you have to focus this number only. So this characteristics you have to write always 10 power. So here 1 is there, so I mark 1 here. So when you are finding that 0247 for antilog, just we will go the antilog 0247 is my number. So here my 02, what is my 4 value? 1057. So just I have to take 1057. Next, what is my number? Next 7 is there, mean value is 7. So you have to focus this number is nothing but 2. So just make it 2. So just add here. So 9501. So 1059 is there. So just mark it here. 1059. Always you have to make one decimal. So my final answer is nothing but 1 into 059 into 10 power 1 is approximately is nothing but 10.59. This is your final answer. So just we will cross check it with the calculator here. So what is our number? 45.4 into 13.8. Our number is 66.52. 66.52 divided by 59.2. Just we will check out here. So division with 59.2. So what is my answer? 10.58. Look out the calculator. What is the value we getting? 10.58. What is our value? 10.59 is exactly correct. Clear? So like this way only we have to follow. Only when you are finding the antilog, minus is there, means we have to focus the two term minus 1 plus 1. If you know this answer, then only we will get the answer. Clear? So children, I hope you may understood this concepts. Kindly like our channel and inform your friends. Okay, and also subscribe our channel. Okay, so now I am going to take the root 3 value. How will go? So basic term I am going here the log value. Okay, so log root 3, just we are going to find the root 3 value with help of log. So already we know that log root 3 is nothing but 1.732 will come, correct? So we will check out now 1.732 is coming or not. Okay, so first case how we have to go? So log of 3 power 1 by 2 we have to go, correct? Then we have to make log of 3. Clear? So here only one digit is there. How we can go? Same 3.00 you have to assume. Okay, so here 3 is there, no? So here only one digit is there, so directly we can write 1 into 0 point. So 3 means we have to take 3 0. So 3 0, first 0 value you have to take. Then my answer is 47 1. Okay, so when you are going to do this, what my value? 0, 4 means 2, 3, balance 1, 8, balance 1, 5, so it will go. Okay, just stop like this. Okay, so when you are coming to the anti-clock, okay, 0.02385. okay, we'll go for anti-clock. What is my value here? Okay, before that I will erase this. So my number is 0.2385 when you are going for anti-clock. So this was positive only, so here 0 is there, so directly we can make it z power 0. so 0.2385 we have to focus. So where is my 23? 23 is here. Okay, so when you are focusing 23, so 23 is here, next digit is 8, so here is my 8. so what is my value? 1370. What is my mean difference value? 5 is nothing but 2, so 1732, so 1.732. so if you mark like this, 1.732, so exactly we are getting the same value. Clear? So this is how we have to go for the root 3 for entire terms. Whatever the value is given, so we have to follow like this only. So directly you will get the answer without using any calculator. With the help of the logarithmic table, we can easily find the multiplication, division, whatever may be. Clear? So this is how we are going. There is one more trick is there for in case 5 digit is there. Okay, for example. So how will you find 5 into 10 power 6 logarithmic value? Okay, so it's just simple. So log of 5 into 10 power 6 is nothing but multiplication. So when you are going for the solution, you have to go for log 5 plus the log of 10 power 6. So finally log 5 plus 6 log 10 power 1. So this term is always 1. So my answer is what? So we have to focus the log 50. So here 5 is there, so 0 point, only one digit, that's why I marked as 0. So 50 is 0, you have to take 6990 plus, what is my value? 6. So my final answer is nothing but 6.6990. This is my answer. When you are going for the antilog, just we will cross check it here. 6.6990, correct? 6.69 we need. Okay, 6.6990, this is my number. Just I am going for the anti-log. So 6 is there, means how we have to represent 10 power 6. So you have to focus 69, where it is my 69 here. My number is 9th term. So what was that? 5000. So we have to mark the decimal point here. So finally our answer is 5 into 10 power 6. This is not minus 6, it is a positive 6, because the positive number is there. They are getting the same number. Clear? I hope it's maybe clear. And the final term we are coming with, in case number 5 digit is there, how we can go 5 digits? Okay, 5 digits, logarithmic for 5 digits. Even the 6 digits, 7 digits, whatever may be, it will be easy only. Okay, so I will explain here. For example, I have the number like 2.0235 is there. Okay, so how will go? Okay, so I said we have to follow 2 plus 1 plus 1 pattern, correct? So first we have to take this one and this one and this one. So when you are going for the mean difference, you have to go for round off. Okay, but is here number 3 is there. When the number is 5 and more than that, means we have to add 1. So 4. If lesser than that, worry about this, you have to take this number. For example, 2.0235 is there, means directly we'll take 0.24. This is the 4-digit number. That's mean we are converting the 5-digit numbers into 4-digit number. Clear? Similarly, 6 number is also there, means we have to convert them into 3-digit numbers. Okay, clear? Children, I hope this may help for your how to find the logarithmic. So in this video we discussed about the normal addition and subtraction and multiplication, as well as division, as well as the square roots, and how to find the antilog. And the final we are coming to the, if in case the more than 4 digits, how we can find. So the same way we have to follow here, 2 plus 1 plus 1. That's mean here the 20 we have to find the value, then move for the column wise, and instead of 35 we have to go for 4, mean difference of 4. That's all. So children, so this video may helpful. In case you have any doubt, kindly comment, I will help.